Layout Builder. If we take a look on our right hand side and we click on Layout Builder, I'm going to show you how to create a new layout and just kind of how our layouts are comprised. So starting with our home layout, this is the first page that you see when you log in. It has a header, a main page, a footer, and a side panel. So if we wanted to edit any one of those panels, we would come in here to home layouts and edit those. Now notice as I click through each of these, the bottom portion is all the same except for the multi-panel main. So what this is right here is the visibility of those panels. So each one of these do not have visibility. The one that connects all of them together is the multi-panel main. So the multi-panel main is what we double click on to launch each one of these other panels. So the other panels can be edited individually, of course, but down here, if you look, we're pointing to that header layout here, multi-panel header. We're pointing to the side layout, multi-panel side, footer, multi-panel footer. So if I bring this down, those are the same names here. So if I were to rename these or create a new one, I could point to those. And then we also have a flowchart right here that's being pointed to. So you can point to a different flowchart if you wanted to as well. So coming in here, anything with exclamation points surrounding it, kind of sandwiching it together, are going to pull in aspects of the table or something from the database itself. So right here we have system status. This is going to bring in the system status information. We have product type. This will bring in the product that we're using. We have how many licenses you're using, the flowchart that gets displayed, all of that stuff right there. And then we have some margins and some different editing here that you can do as well. Over on this right-hand side, we have ways that you can bring in different areas of the software. So we break it out for you. This is our add edit section. We have an equipment section, general. This is for event information, all the way down, all kinds of different things here. And then this top portion right here is kind of a basic Microsoft, different things that you're used to as far as alignments and bolds and fonts and things like that. So if we close out of this and bring back up this page, we're looking at the home layout. We have these four panels right here. If we want to, we can create a new one. So a new panel, we can clone that from our multi-panel. And if you wanted to create one for maybe admins, we could call it our admin multi-panel main. And then by doing that, what we can do is create a visibility here that is not system-wide. So if I were to double click on this here, this is the visibility. It's checked as system-wide. For those of you who plan on using read-only or are using read-only, we would check this if we wanted our read-only individuals to see this layout. So closing out of this, we're going to go back to our admin multi-panel main. And this area is where we would set up either a specific user that we wanted to use this home view, a specific profile, whether that was a system administrator, companies, all kinds of different things right there. So we go ahead and create a new visibility. It clones the name that I named the actual layout itself. We could set up a group if we wanted to, and then we turn off system-wide, hit OK. And now we come down here and we can set up our profile to be system administrator. So let's dive into the admin multi-panel and just call this, maybe just bring some of this down and just call it admin home view. something like that, just to show you the difference. We close out of that. I close out of here. We always reload all settings up here whenever we do some kind of layout change like that. And then if I right click on this home screen, I can now toggle between those two layouts. All right. And so that is how we create a new layout for the home view section. And this is how we point and change our visibility rules. All right, so you would do the same in equipment view if you wanted to create a new equipment view layout for your technicians or admins. If you want to import those or export those out, you can always send them to us. We can edit them, take a look at those. And so this video was just for some basic information on how to create new layouts, and you guys have a great day.